Today we are doing lesson 92, number word problems. So a couple lessons ago, we did algebraic phrases. Well, now we're going to take those algebraic phrases and we are going to actually make an equation that we can solve. So we're going to do a couple of examples of these to figure out what these numbers are. So example number 1 states the sum of twice a number and 42 is 128. Find the number. We remember what that word is means when we were doing things like fraction times of equals is. Is your equal sign. So that's the same thing with these. Is going to be equals. So we just need to break this down and read it slowly. The sum of twice a number we know means 2 times n. And sum means I'm going to be adding something to it. So the sum of twice a number plus, it says and 42. So the sum is going to be that twice a number and the number 42. So it's 2n plus 42. Then I have my is, which means equals 128. So now I have my equation all set up, ready to solve. 2n plus 42 equals 128. We're going to first subtract 42 from both sides, because remember, if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. This is going to either zero out or eliminate that 42 to get that n by itself. So we have 2n is equal to 128 minus 42 is 86. So now I have 2n equals 86. We need to get that n by itself, and in order to do that, we are going to divide by 2. So when we divide by 2, that actually would be 1, because 2 over 2 is 1, so it would be 1n equals 86 over 2, which is 43 when we divide that by 2. So that number is 43. Now, if I wanted to double check this, I would put this right back into my equation and make sure that it works. 2 times 43 plus 42 should equal 128. And when I do this, it does. Because 2 times 43 is 86, and then 86 plus 42 is 128. Okay, our next problem, example number 2, says 27 less than 3 times a number is 144. So 3n, 3 times the numbers, 3n. And then we have 27 less than that, so minus 27. And then we have the word is, which we know means equals 144. So to get this n by itself, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add 27 to both sides, because we want to either zero that out or just eliminate that 27 from that side. So then we would have 3n equals 171, because 144 plus 27 is 171. We are going to divide by 3 because we really want to get that n all by itself. And then we would get n equals 171 divided by 3, which is 57. We can then plug this right back into the equation, make sure it works. 3 times 57 is 171, minus 27 is 144. So now I see that that works and that my number as 57 is the correct answer. Okay, last example. 4 more than 33 times a number equals negative 95. What is the number? So it says 33 times a number. We're going to have 33n, and then we have 4 more than that, so it would be plus 4. That word is going to be our equals, negative 95. Okay, so this is how we would set up our equation. We are first going to subtract 4 from both sides, because we want to eliminate that from that side or zero it out. So then we are left with 33n equals negative 95 minus 4 is negative 99. We're going to divide by 33 because we really want that n all by itself. And then we get n equals negative 99 divided by 33, or just negative 3. If we were to plug this back into the equation, we would have 33 times negative 3, which is negative 99, plus 4 equals negative 95, and that does check out.